Been trying to make money online but haven't found anything that actually works, then you're in for a treat. I'm about to show you live proof of the income you can generate using a very simple and quick method. In fact, this method pulls in over $167 per day by driving targeted traffic from YouTube in 3 different ways, then sending this traffic through a specific funnel that builds a list and generates commissions on complete autopilot. Traffic method number 1 is my precise system for easily outranking the competition to get 100% free traffic. The second is using the popularity of highly searched videos and legally stealing their traffic. The final one is a specific YouTube ad strategy that provides targeted, super cheap, on-demand traffic. Now let me show you live proof of a campaign that has been bringing money in for over 5 years without ever needing to touch it. Okay, so let me show you just one of my campaigns. Clearly I've got lots of them, but let's say show you one. So if I go here, one of the products that I was promoting is called Heister Mobile. It's a spy app for parents, right, monitoring children. So I'll show you first of all how you get traffic being related, right? Related to a high searched. This has had 136,000 views, right? So I couldn't try and outrank this person. I didn't actually outrank them. So what I did was and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Now there it's in 2 different places. So as you can see here, this here is my video, okay? It's my wife's channel, Leah Whiteley. Okay, this is my one here. And then you'll also find this one here is actually mine, right? And there is actually me there as well, Mark Andrew Whiteley. So I want to rank as related videos on the side here and also at the end of the videos. So if I just skip through the video and we'll get to the end of the video, right, you'll see at the very end what's going to happen is it's going to show me an option here, so I can press cancel, and then it's going to show me all these highly related videos. Okay, you can see here is my video here is also my video as well, and here is also my video as well. Okay, so that's just from this, it's had 14,000 views, that's had 30,000 views, and that's had 5,000 views. Okay, so I've managed to receive 70,000 views in total being related. Okay, that's being related. So that's one of the tricks I'm going to show you how to do and how to get tons of traffic through your specific funnel, right? Yeah. So the other one is also how to actually rank. So I'll show you this exact model here. So you can see there for Heister Mobile Review, I'm number 3, right here. I'm also number 4, okay, and I'm also number 5, and I'm also number 7 as well, and I'm number 9. Okay, so I pretty much take over the whole first page. 2 different places. Okay, it's actually at Avangate and it's also at BlueSnap. Okay, so it's at Avangate and it's at BlueSnap. So if I was over at Avangate, right, let's just show you the last 5 years, for instance. Okay, we'll just go custom and we'll go. What do we do here? Radio. So let's go from here to now. Okay. And we'll click on display. Go by product and display. Okay, so you can see here, so Heister Mobile, right? You see Heister Mobile there, run it along. Okay, it's $118,339 in commissions. Right. Now at the same time, I was also promoting it through BlueSnap. I have it over at BlueSnap. Right, and I've run the same report here, 2013 to 2018 run report. And you can see there it's another from Heister Mobile, another $30,000. Okay, so there's around about $150,000 earned in that period of time from just this one product, one campaign. And honestly, I've never had to touch it. Set it up once, you just let it do its thing, and the commissions come through constantly. So you know, to break that down, it's around about $167 per every single day. Plus there's plenty more that I promote through ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, even Amazon. There's a whole bunch of different products I promote. I just wanted to show you one. So clearly I'm not going to show you my best one because, you know, if you're smart enough, you're obviously going to pick this up today. You're going to pretty much mimic after my product right there, and you're going to start earning those sort of incomes. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you, so you can see that I rank. I also get the related video traffic as well. We are able to legally steal the traffic from other popular videos, and I show you, right? Yeah. So as you can see, this method works, and if you can follow very simple steps, then it's guaranteed to produce those same results for you too. Now, let me introduce you to the Tube funnel. You're about to discover how to set up simple campaigns that drive traffic, build lists, and will earn you over $167 per day on total autopilot. And the best part is you can set up as many as you like to scale your business extremely quickly, which easily allows you to go from $167 per day to $267, then $367 per day, and beyond. Now here's a quick breakdown of what's included in the Tube funnel system. So you get the Tube funnel step-by-step blueprints. This is the entire proven formula in a step-by-step blueprint. Every step is laid out in full detail. It really couldn't get any easier. Now on top of this, you'll also be getting the Tube funnel detailed checklist. Now this is a simple to follow essential checklist that will ensure you complete each of the basic steps. Now this keeps you on track so you make money a whole lot faster. Number 3 is you get the Tube funnel landing page plugin. So with hundreds of templates, this purpose-built landing page builder increases conversions and speeds up your success. You're also getting the Tube funnel list of profitable niches. Now you're going to get access to my personal list of profitable niches that I use to make money from every single day. Now this removes the possibility of entering the wrong niche. You also get the Tube funnel MP3 audio course. This is perfect for the car or on the go. It's the entire course on a handy MP3 audio. You also get the Tube funnel tools and resources. This is one less thing you need to worry about, and I'm going to show you everything that I use and exactly how to get them. Now you can succeed on a shoestring budget. So you have two options. Now you can keep trying those magic push button softwares that simply don't work, or you can copy my precise method and start earning over $167 per day and see results within the next 20. Number 1 is 100 multi-niche email swipe files. Now these are tested and proven to convert email follow-ups that I have used and made incredible commissions with. You simply plug them in and you're good to go. Now this normally retails at $79, but today it's free. Now bonus number 2 is the obscure niche profits system. So you're going to discover the niches that are offering sustained growth because people are seeking solutions. You're never going to have to wonder what people are buying. With the niche profits method, you will always select a highly profitable obscure niche. Now this is normally retailing at $67. Once again today it's completely free. So the investment for the Tube funnel and the bonuses retails at $213. So here's the good news. You'll be getting a massive 97% discount today. Look, this massive price reduction will only be available during this introductory period, which ends when the timer on this page hits 0. To make this a complete no-brainer, you're covered by our no questions asked 30-day 100% money back guarantee. So just try the system for yourself for a full 30 days, and if you're not 100% happy or have not started seeing results, then I'll gladly refund you every single penny. No questions, no hassles. Look, below this video right now, click on the button below to get instant access to claim your discounted price now. You'll be granted immediate access to everything, the Tube funnel and all the bonuses. So take action today and get started making a real income online using a proven and tested system that simply works.